A percent is simply a fraction out of 100. 8% means 8 out of 100 units. So 8% is same as 8 out of 100 or 0.08. 1% means 1 out of 100. 20% is 20 out of 100. We can reduce the fraction to 1 over 5. Convert percents to simplest fractions. 3% is 3 out of 100. 25% is 25 out of 100. We can reduce it further by dividing top and bottom by 25. We get 1 over 4. Now pause the video and complete practice 1. Now check your answers. Splitting numbers into factors will help us reduce fractions to the simplest fraction. To convert from a percent to a decimal, we divide it by 100%. This will cancel the percent signs. Now to divide by 100, we move the point 2 places to the left. We get 0.9. 10 divided by 100 is 0.1. 99 divided by 100 is 0.99. Now pause the video and complete practice 2. And now check your answers. To convert from a decimal to a percent, we multiply by 100. When multiplying by 100, we move the decimal 2 places to the right. So 1.1 times 100 is 110%. 0.01 times 100 is 1%. And 1.001 times 100 is 100.1%. Now pause the video and complete practice 3. And check your answers. In practice 4, we will convert between percentage, fraction, and decimal. Pause the video and try the question yourself. When given a fraction, we simply have to get the denominator to be 100, since the percent is a fraction out of 100. We have to multiply 20 by 5, and we do the same to the numerator. We get 5 out of 100. We know that 5 out of 100 is 5%, or 5 divided by 100, which is 0.05. We will often be asked to find percent of a number. To do that, we simply change the percent to a decimal by dividing by 100, or to a fraction, 35 out of 100. Of means we multiply times 60. We can either use a calculator, or we can split numbers into factors. 35 is 5 times 7. 60 is 6 times 10, or 2 times 3 times 10. 100 we can split into 10 times 10, and further into 2 times 5 to cancel out the 2 and 5, and 10 to cancel out the 10. We end up with 7 times 3 is 21. We will not need a calculator when using fractions. 25% of 84 is 0.25 times 84, and we get 21. Now 25 is 5 times 5, and 100 is 10 times 10. But since we want to cancel out the 5, let's split 10 into 2 times 5. 10 times 10. Now 84. We can divide it by 2 to get 42. 42 we can again divide by 2 to get 21. And 21 is 3 times 7. We cancel 5s, 2s, and we end up with 3 times 7, 21. Galileo dropped a ball from a height of 20 meters above the ground. The ball bounced to 90% of its previous height on each bounce. Complete the following table where n represents the number of bounces. We start with the height of 20 meters above the ground. After the first bounce, we get 90% of the height. That's 18 meters. On the second bounce, we get 90% of 18 meters. There are 24 students in class and 25% are boys. How many boys are in the class? Let's convert the information into an equation. 25% of the students are boys. 6 students are boys. How many girls are in the class? Since in total we have 24 students minus 6, we have 18 girls in the class. There are 300 students in grade 9. 20% of the students get a ride, 3/5 of the students come to school by bus, and the remaining students walk to school. We want to find how many grade 9 students walk to school. Let's first find 20% of students who get a ride. 20% is 20 out of 100 times number of students. Let's divide by 100. We get 20 times 3, so 60 students get a ride. Next, how many students will take a bus? 3/5 of 300. Remember, of means multiply. I'm going to factor the 300, so 3 times, we're dividing by 5. I'm going to split 300 into 3 times 100. 100 is 10 times 10, but I need 5, so one of the 10s I'm going to split into 2 times 5. 5 divided by 5. 3 times 3 is 9, times 2, 18. 18 times 10, 180 students will take a bus. the remaining students. So 300 minus 60 minus 180, we have 60 students who will walk to school.